Hello, I am Hüni, and I am your local unicorn. Today, I'm going to have the privilege to answer all sorts of questions about unicorns, such as, do unicorns exist? Can unicorns grant wishes? Do unicorns fly? Can unicorns quit? And a few others. Also, if you wait till the very end, I have a very special announcement for you if you're interested. The first question I'm going to answer is this: do unicorns exist? Wow, so this is an interesting question because somebody is asking a unicorn, do unicorns exist? I want to show you that I do exist by showing you some of the things I can do. So I can go sledding, and I can really bite it when I do, as is evidenced by all the snow on me right now. Here, take a look at me. I just turn myself around. On my mark, get set, go! That was fun. I can also go on a car ride. There, now I'm ready to go. Can unicorns fly? Watch this. Many times when I go flying, I like to attach somebody to the bottom of a stick so I can give them a ride too. Are you ready down there, Bobby? I'm ready, Hüni. Great, then let's go for it. Woo, this is a lot of fun. Are you enjoying yourself down there? I'm having a great time. Woo, hang on tight. Can unicorns grant wishes? Now this is an interesting question. So the answer is yes, but the answer is also that pretty much anybody can grant wishes for somebody. So if somebody has something that they need, they might wish they had help getting that thing, and then anybody can help them if you're able. So for example, if my grandma needs help shoveling the snow off of her porch, then I can help her by shoveling the snow off of her porch, and then it's like her wish is granted. Alright, let's see here. Can unicorns do magic? Oh, do you mean with this magical unicorn horn? Yes, of course, we can do magic with our magical unicorn horn. But if you really think about it, anybody can work magic. Magic is just when you do something that other people don't understand how you did it. So for us, it's natural to use our horn and put a lot of energy into our horn to do something. But if you don't have a horn, you still have other parts of your body, and you can put a lot of energy into those parts of your body to do something meaningful. So you too can do magic just like we can. This is a great question. How about another great question? Alright, Hüni, can unicorns quit? This is a funny question. No, a unicorn can never quit. I'm just kidding. Sure, we could quit. Some things are great to quit, and other things you probably don't want to quit. So, like, it might be a good thing to quit going to bed too late, or it might be a good thing to quit eating sweets so much, but probably not a good thing to quit breathing, and probably not a good idea to quit helping out. So, yes, unicorns can quit. All right, Hüni. So this question says, can I have a pet unicorn? Oh, oh my. Well, I don't really want to be a pet because I like to think about stuff like people do. And when somebody rubs me, I don't call it petting me. I call it giving me a little rub or a massage. So don't treat a unicorn like a pet. Please. All right, Hüni, are you ready for this one? I don't know. This one says, what is your least favorite bug? Well, isn't this a spicy question? So I would say, like, I don't like when bugs bite me or sting me. And if I don't like when they sting or bite me, I also don't like it when they sting or bite you. So, that causes me to be frustrated. And for a little bit, I say, I don't like it when you do this to me. But I also understand that bugs that bite are looking for food because they don't have any food. So I may end up like, I might swat them with my tail, but I don't hate them and I understand why they do it. But I just don't want anybody getting hurt or stung, especially if you're allergic to them. So that I don't like. I'll have to read this question. It says, Dear Hüni, you said in one of your videos that you need help typing because you don't have fingers. Why can't you use your magical unicorn horn to type? This is an interesting question. Have you ever seen a keyboard type without somebody touching it? It's really creepy. So I don't want to do that with my horn because I might scare myself. So that's why I need a little help using the keyboard. Thank you for that question. And now for my very exciting announcement. In case you don't know this, if you have a question for me, you can actually type it down in the comments section below my face, and I will answer your question on the next YouTube video. I think I can do this for a little while because right now I have, I think, 3 subscribers. And so if you ask me a question, I'm sure I could get to it. But if I have like 3,000 subscribers one day, I may not be able to answer everybody's question if you're watching this video at that point. Thank you so much for joining us today. You are an amazing person. I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great week until then. Goodbye.